Hello everyone, happy holidays and welcome to my home. I'm so happy you're here with me today. This is the second video in our Christmas decorating series. So if you haven't caught those videos from Karen or I'll make sure everything is linked for you in the description section. Today I'm going to be decorating here in my family room and my foyer. So I say let the fun begin and let's do some Christmas decorating. I'm starting here on the staircase where I gave the garland a good fluff and then attached it using cable ties. And these large, gorgeous bows in this charcoal and gold color really add a touch of elegance, and I did have a little help making these. And then I knew this year I really wanted to decorate using bells, and this just adds that rustic touch that I love. I'm kind of mixing in an elegant with Winter Wonderland and a little bit of rustic as my decorating theme this year. Now filling in with ornament clusters that I made in threes that have the gorgeous gold, champagne, cream, and white colors, and then using these glitter sparkle spiral sticks that add dimension and visual interest to my decor. And look how gorgeous this turned out. I just absolutely love it, and I wanted to do this before I started decorating the tree. And now I'm fluffing the branches on my tree because I want it to look nice and full. And this is the 9-foot Queen Flucked King of Christmas tree that I purchased a couple years ago that really brings the beauty of winter indoors. The branches give the look of freshly fallen snow to help recreate the magic of a snowy Christmas day. I purchased this gold lame fabric from Hobby Lobby. It's a lightweight fabric. You can see it's got a lot of shine to it, and I thought it was a great alternative than using ribbon in the tree. So I folded it and kind of gathered it. I'm going to start from top to bottom, and I'm going to kind of use a zigzag formation, and I'm just tucking it in the tree. You can use floral wire to attach it from the top, and as you can see, it just ever so slightly cascades down the center of the tree, and I really hope in the end it gives me that sophisticated look that I'm going for. And now it's time to add these gorgeous ornaments that I pull out each year because I know I can't replace them. And I purchased them from a local floral and decor shop that went out of business a few years ago. And I was so sad because their holiday decor was like nothing I had ever seen. And their decorative picks, the ornaments, were just absolutely beautiful. So I grabbed as much as I could for my collection, and now I'm just adding on some other of my favorites and pulling out the decorative picks. I like to use a variety of different picks, and they just add instant texture and flair to my Christmas tree. And if you followed me over the years, you know I'm a girl who loves a little glitter and sparkle. And as you can see, I'm also using a bunch as my tree topper. I added a gold collar at the base of the tree, and then these faux fur furniture covers look great underneath my gold bell figurines, a great way to ring in the holiday season. I'm so excited about my new nutcracker. I absolutely love it here next to the Christmas tree. You can see that all the colors tie in with my Christmas decor. I added this mini ornament that lights up with the others, so working in threes. And here is a look of my tree all decorated. I'm so happy with it. It's absolutely beautiful. You can see that there's some birch sticks that I also added just to give that woodsy touch. Again, I was going for elegant with a rustic woodsy, and then that Winter Wonderland theme that you'll kind of see a little bit here once I start on all the other decor. now I'm going to create my own winter wonderland in my home with my snowy forest canvas art and decorating again with gold bells in different sizes, placing the larger one here on the center of the mantle. And you can see I've added the garland and fluffed it. And now I'm adding these beautiful mercury glass snowflakes. They're mirrored and they just add that three-dimensional touch. So I thought I would add those on the ends and then in the center of the mantle. I'm using again my pom-pom picks this year in cream and these golden brown velvet sphere picks. Both of those mixed together are going to work really well together with this winter wonderland theme. And now to pull the whole look together, it's time to add my Christmas decor. And I thought these glass snowmen were perfect for that. 2 different sizes. They are surely not to melt. And I did change up the ribbon and added some white velvet ribbon. And now it's time to lace up and let your spirit soar as you glide through the winter wonderland. This white Christmas tree is a great accent with the wall art as well as the Santa. And now adding my faux fur stockings, and I'm using the Command cord bundlers. I talked about these last year. They're a real game changer and helpful with Christmas decor, your garland. You can see they work great here with these stockings. And then the wooden name tags that you see I had made a couple years ago from Etsy. And I think I'm going to move Santa over here by the fireplace this year. I had this wall art in the powder room last year, but I thought both pieces would look great to fill up this space behind the swivel chair. And now I'm going to switch out my pillows, and I'm pulling out my joyful plaid pillows again this year because I just love the way they look with everything. And of course we need a cozy faux fur blanket. We have plenty of those in the house. I also added by the fireplace a little fuzzy texture with my faux fur gift box decor. I'm creating my own winter wonderland here on the coffee table with a Christmas winter village display that isn't complete without a home. The snow-covered house with wreaths and big bright beautiful windows illuminate and add that warm glow. The trees, the pine cone filler, and the deer all create an enchanted Christmas forest. It's truly a classic holiday look. Keeping things simple over here on the end table using this faux fur furniture cover again because it kind of ties in with all of the snow, and then placing the battery operated candles and this adorable Santa. And of course I have to style the sofa for the holiday season, and I love these Fa La La pillows. I actually picked these up last year and I'm excited to reuse them again this year. They add such a fun, festive, graphic touch, and then to keep things comfy and cozy, I've got my Christmas tree soft blanket. And little Vito just found his favorite spot again. He just loves it over here. And to make things festive and fragrant, I'm lighting my evergreen and icicle candle that's in this beautiful Christmas tree jar. Over here on the TV console, I'm doing a serene color palette, starting out with this beautiful angel, another treasured keepsake. My mom always loved her angels. I have this nativity set that's beautifully detailed in shimmering hues of ivory and tan, and my Holy Family musical lighted water picture frame. And this does play Silent Night, and the figurines are placed in front of the sheet music. It's a very unique piece and definitely a favorite for the holiday season. I also am adding some string lights and some greenery bunches just to kind of fill in and light up the space, and it all gives the special touch and feel of Christmas. I want my entryway to feel warm and welcoming, so I'm starting out with this pre-lit tree branch decor and then carrying on with the rest of the theme, adding more snow, bringing in another nutcracker with my faux fur glitter deer that adds a touch of elegance along with the Santa, and then to bring more joy to my home this Christmas, adding the jingle word decor along with the Merry Christmas wall art that I placed here in the mirror. And a few Christmas bells to finish off the look underneath the entryway table. I pulled out this wreath for the front door that Karen and I did on a DIY a few years ago, and the bow got smashed from storage, and I just kind of wanted to give it a fresh new look, so I pulled it apart. This is the before, and here is the look after. So I took off the poinsettia and the bow, added this striped glitter bow, added the spiral gold picks, and I feel like it just gave it some new life. Here in the entryway in this little nook, I've got two different sizes of hurricanes. And I just added in, again, the faux fur furniture cover. These are so versatile and great to use as a base here in the hurricanes. I just folded this one over. It works perfectly. I'm gonna add a set of skis in here, and that ties in with the Christmas tree and the greenery. And I think it's just a fun little accent piece to see as you walk in the front door, along with all the decor. Here it is, all put together in the afternoon and evening. The Winter Wonderland theme can be construed in many ways, but is defined as a timeless decorating style for the holidays. It's centered around elements such as snow, frost, and flock trees. Neutral palettes mixed with metallic tones create a wintry effect perfect for rustic, transitional, and contemporary spaces. My Christmas tree and decor pieces bring elegance to my home, and the meaning behind the nutcracker is to bring luck to my family and protect the home.
It's white outside, and the night is cold. Everyone's lighting candles in their homes. Yes, it's Christmas. It's a magic time. You can feel it in the air, that every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas all around. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you. This time of year is a time to cheer. Let our loved ones, our family and friends have a Christmas with so much love, and with joy and laughter. Let us make memories that stay forever. It's Christmas today. Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing, Merry Christmas to you.
Thanks so much everyone for watching. I hope this video brought you inspiration and enthusiasm in decorating your own home for Christmas. Next week, I'll be sharing another video in our Christmas decorating series. So wishing you all a blessed, safe, and joyful holiday season. Merry Christmas.
Oh, snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town.